Hi everybody, today's focus, I am testing the Bucko Soap, Scum, and Grime Cleaner. So a little bit ago, a representative from the Bucko sent me an email. In that email, she noted that she had watched some of my videos and noticed that I was looking for a product that I could clean my bathroom without scrubbing. Now that was awesome. I said, well, yes, you definitely have paid attention to my videos because that most certainly is what I'm searching for. I have a shoulder injury, so when it comes to cleaning my bathroom, I really like products where I can spray and wipe or spray and rinse and not have to do a lot of scrubbing. So she asked me if I was interested in testing the Bucko, and I said absolutely, so she mailed me the product. Let's read how we're supposed to use it. All right, so let's look at the label. So on the front it says it's commercial strength in the Bucko, and I believe their name is after their beagle. That's adorable. Okay, absolutely adorable. Soap, Scum, and Grime Cleaner. No scrubbing, light scent, leaves a clean shine. You can use it on glass doors, acrylic tubs, chrome faucets, wheel rims, sinks, tubs, tiles, basins, and much more. Fantastic. This sounds good. Okay, so let's continue on the back. It says it's effective, it dissolves tough soap, scum, and grime, leaves a beautiful shine. Good. Pleasant. It says it has a light lemon water scent with no bleach, no acid, and no harsh chemicals. Well, I'm really interested in that because I like to compare scents of products, so that's good. I'm interested in seeing what a light lemon water scent is. They say it's a work saver, no scrubbing required, just spray and wipe away. That's what I'm always looking for. And it's multi-purpose. You can use it as a bathroom cleaner, shower cleaner, or an all-purpose cleaner. So the directions for use are to spray surface until thoroughly covered, let stand, wipe with a wet cloth or sponge, rinse or wipe with a clean, wet cloth to bring out the shine. For tough jobs, let stand longer. Fair. Do not use on wood, painted surfaces, natural marble, stone, brass, or colored grout. That's good to know because I do have marble countertops in my bathroom, so I will not use it there. For all other surface, test in inconspicuous area. Yeah, I think every cleaner has that warning label on it. So I am really interested in testing this out. So I'm going to test the Bucko cleaner in both my bathrooms, the one with the glass shower door and the one without, and we'll take it from there. So let's see how well the Bucko cleans my bathroom. Overall, I am extremely pleased with how well the Bucko removes soap, scum, and grime from my shower and bathtub. This product most certainly lives up to its claim that you can just spray and wipe. I know it can be difficult for a viewer to tell how hard I'm scrubbing or rubbing. So let me explain to you how hard I'm scrubbing and rubbing when I'm using the Bucko. I would say about 90 to 95% of the time, I was just wiping away the soap scum. It was really incredible. It was a very light wipe. I wasn't pressing very hard. There were a few spots on my glass shower door that I had to rub. Okay, it wasn't scrubbing, it was just rubbing a few spots that had a lot of soap scum residue, caked on it. I did let my shower door get really full of soap scum on it to give this a fair test, and I think it did an amazing job. One of the things that really impressed me was when I was cleaning my boy's bathtub, you just can't tell how light I was wiping. I was literally just barely putting pressure on the washcloth as it just wiped away the grime. It is extremely impressive. As a gauge as to how hard I had to scrub, let's use this as a gauge, right? I start with wiping. And if wiping doesn't work, then I go to rubbing. And if rubbing doesn't work, then I go with scrubbing. And then if scrubbing doesn't work, then I get my scrubby brush and I'll scrub with my scrubby brush. And if that doesn't work, then I call in one of my teenage boys to scrub an area for me. In this case, I only had to do the light wiping and a little rubbing. As for the scent, they say it is a pleasant light lemon water scent. That is exactly what this is. It's actually a really nice scent. It is very light. It does smell like lemon, but it does not linger. It's not a choking scent. It's not overly fragrancy. It doesn't smell fake. It's just what it says, a light lemon water scent, and it's rather pleasant. The only thing I can think of that the Bucko could do to make this product a smidgen better would be to add one of those indicator clear parts of the plastic bottle here so you can see how much you have. I know that's like super minute and picky. That's just really the only suggestion I can think of for this product. I will add a link to the Bucko's website in the description below so you can check out the Bucko for yourself. So I'm super impressed with the Bucko, and Joyce, thank you so much for reaching out to me and recognizing from my videos that I'm looking for a product where I can clean my shower without scrubbing so I don't hurt my shoulder. Thank you so much for reaching out to me, and thank you so much for sending me the Bucko. If there is a product that you would like me to test, do me a favor and put it in the comments section and I will add it to my viewer suggestion list. My viewer suggestion list is very long. I'm over 1,000 suggestions. I'm doing the best I can to get through them. I love seeing what my viewers want me to test. Or you can mail me something. My mailbox address is in the description below. Just do me a favor and send me an email. That's also in the description below so that I know it's from you and so I know I should check my mailbox. I did receive a method cleaner in my mailbox and I still do not know who sent it to me. So if you send me the method cleaner, send me an email so we can have a bit of a conversation about it before I start testing. I hope you enjoyed this video and I hope you tried the Bucko Soap, Scum, and Grime Cleaner. Take care, have yourselves a great day.